We got there at 9:30, but it feels like we finished at 9:40. It was only 10 minutes. I just hate that we drive 30 minutes so far all the way over here to do something for 10 minutes and then go back. We're so happy because Mom decided to make homemade tortillas today. So it's a great day. Here, King. Homemade tortilla. Let's see, is it good? Taste it. Oh. Yeah?
Super puffy.
Yes.
I like it. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
What is it?
Why
Thank you.
De nada. Ashton. Hello. Oh, thank you. De nada. What? De nada.
That means you're welcome in Spanish. We're gonna try it on Tia Amy now. You're so pretty, Tia Amy. You're gonna tell her that, okay? Hello, baby. Ash, King has something to tell you.
Yeah, you're so pretty.
Thank you, baby.
And this is de nada. See? Ah! See that?
He was like, you didn't give me the reaction I wanted, Amy.
Yeah.
Let's try this again. Let's try this again.
Hi, baby. How are you?
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
You're welcome. De nada.
I love it.
So we're thinking of
Jumping on our trampoline, which is a minty color. And I'll show you the minty color.
we're thinking that it would be better to jump if we have some water on it. That way it won't be as hot.
Hello. I'm going to turn you off. Boop. Hey, Biggie, you did this.
Go, run. Friend door, right here. Run.
Love you.
And
Mommy too.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. See you guys later.
Okay. Do it, King.
None do this. No, dang it, like this. And flat. No, like this. No!
Where is it pulling you from?
No.
Does it hurt?
No.
Oh, this rope is pulling you. She has to climb her here. The heck, Belito.
Oh, the phone is soaked at the back of the cage. Whoa. We're in the wedding again. I got to get red.
So, this is setup that we got. Thanks to Eddie.
Your mission. Dodge all the water. Jump. Turn. And jump. Got it? Yes. Leave a like. If no, comment down below. Okay? Okay. Whoa. Okay. It's a Nissan. It's a very old Nissan. It's a Toyota.
We done. All right, boys.
See you soon.